mouse or
Oh
something.
no. Oh my
Probably
God.
what it is.
Chelsea, look what you started. Well,
What do you think it is?
I think it's a mouse.
I think it's a snake.
Or a cow's
She always thinks of the worst things.
Well, I know it.
I
Probably
think
an
it's a
alligator.
I think it's a
katydid or
bear.
something. I think it's a katydid or something, probably.
I think it's
Yeah.
Oh, probably a katydid. I never thought of a katydid.
What do you think it is?
A
Alligator, really.
katydid, of course.
Of course, it's a katydid.
Ah! Come on, Chelsea, come get this. Come get this
Crawl up
bug.
your leg in a minute.
Probably so.
See it moving over there? Those cans are moving over
Are they moving?
She's the one that wanted it.
These are?
right there where that, no, one up this way.
This one?
Look out!
Yeah, they were.
Well, you might.
Looks like Christmas lights. Don't dump them all out, whatever you do.
Here's the last can.
Probably something in a can.
Probably inside the can.
Oh,
Well, we ruled out bear.
We ruled out a bear, and we ruled out a squirrel.
I think we ruled out anything bigger than a quarter.